The new one, as you can see, is now up and now hardwired up. You know, your black is your power, your white is your continuous, and this orange wire is your ground. So everything is connected. We'll go back and hit the breaker to turn this on, the breaker to number 4, which operates the lights here in the hallway as well as operate this. So you can see, you can hear that it's working, and she's working. Pretty good. Pump this out here. Like that. Screw that up on. And there she goes. New smoke detector is up and installed. The old one is taken out.